If you are still writing every LinkedIn message from scratch, this video will save you a lot of time. AI is everywhere right now, and LinkedIn Outreach is no exception. Today I'll show you the new AI message generator inside LinkedIn Helper, how it works, and how to use it without sounding generic or spammy. This feature helps you create LinkedIn messages faster using modern AI. We'll start by generating an invite message, as it's usually the first touch point. When you open a message template editor, you'll see the AI message button here on top. Click on it. There are two modes, quick and advanced. You can create up to 30 messages per day and use them directly inside your message templates. Let's start with a quick mode. This is the fastest way to generate a message. All you need to do is describe your message goal in a few words. Well, like this. Connect with fellow SaaS professionals and start a warm conversation about automation so I can invite them to a demo later, to a product demo. Choose the language, select the tone, friendly, professional, or casual, and click Generate. That's it. If you don't like the output message, you can generate one more time until you see the option that's best for you. And don't forget that you can always polish it later. One important thing to clarify right away. This AI message generator does not read each LinkedIn profile and create unique messages for every person. Instead, it helps you create strong base messages and variations much faster. Personalization still comes from variables and if-then-else logic. If you want way more control, this is where advanced mode shines. Let's create the variation, one more variation of the invite message using advanced mode now. Here you give the AI real context, and this is exactly what I usually fill in. So, goal of the message, I'm gonna leave it the same as I used in the quick mode. You offer a product in one sentence, what you're offering, LinkedIn automation tool focused on safety and long-term account stability. Target audience, who you are reaching out to. For me, it's gonna be B2B founders and sales leaders in SaaS companies. Then key value or reason to reach out. So why you're contacting them, to help them scale outreach. Again, select the tone of voice, the language, and click Generate. The more specific your input, the better the output. This makes it super easy to test different approaches without rewriting everything manually. AI gives you structure, you stay in the control of the strategy. And you can do the exact same thing for follow-up messages. Instead of writing every follow-up from scratch, I generate 2-3 AI variations for the same follow-up step. For example, the first follow-up, a thank you for connection message, then a value-based follow-up, and the last message, a polite final nudge. This helps me avoid repetition and save a lot of time, especially in big campaigns. This feature is perfect if you run LinkedIn outreach campaigns, send lots of similar messages, want to save time without sacrificing quality, or you simply struggle with what to write in the first place. So, if you want to create LinkedIn messages faster and smarter, give AI message generator a try. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.